Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This video is the installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket into a Volkswagen Amarok. The tools that you need to install this bracket are a M10 triple square spline tool and a ratchet and two 8mm spanners. To install it today, I'll be installing with this fire extinguisher that we sell on our website. It's a firebox 1 kilogram extinguisher with twin latches. The twin latches are really good and very safe. So let's go and install it. Start by removing the two factory front seat bolts with that M10 triple square tool bit. After you've removed those two factory seat bolts, then install the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. The bracket comes with these two M5 nuts and bolts, and use those two 8mm spanners to install your cage onto the bracket. Before bolting the cage to the bracket though, just find somewhere where you'd like it to mount so it doesn't interfere with anything like your seat adjuster. Right there would be good. Once that extinguisher cage is bolted to the bracket, then place the extinguisher bracket back in and put those factory seat bolts back in and tighten them all down. Then once it's all tightened down, slip your extinguisher into its cage and clip it all up.